Hi, finally I'm back to my baking vlog. Today I'm making banana chocolate chip muffin. And the ingredients I'm using in this video are all half of recipe. So you can just double up the recipe if you want to make normal batch. We'll need 50 grams of vegetable oil, 75 grams of white sugar, half an egg, 90 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 piece of banana, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and some chocolate chips. So if you want to make it easier, you can just double up the recipe so you can use a whole egg. To start with, grab a big bowl and weigh the oil in the bowl. Then add sugar and mix well. I've got half an egg here and I'll show you its weight. It just depends on the size of the egg. It's usually around 22 to 25 grams. Now we have to mash the banana. Grab a new bowl and a fork. If you've watched my video of making chocolate muffin, you might find out we don't need milk for this muffin. The reason is that we're using banana here, right? It already worked as a liquid part to give moisture to the muffin. And don't forget to always use overripe bananas. As you can see, it's really soft and overripe bananas are always sweeter and gives a better flavor. Now add all the mashed bananas into the mixture. The mixture will slowly become more like liquidy from sandy because the mashed banana is working its magic. Then we're getting to the dry part. Add 90 grams of all-purpose flour. If you don't have it, you can substitute with cake flour. Also add half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Gently mix them before our final step of adding chips. So I just found out I only got 30 grams of chocolate chips at this point. Luckily it's still enough. But if you have the same situation as me, you can just chop a bar of chocolate into smaller cubes. Now you should have preheated your oven. Then we can line the mold with paper cups. There are 2 ways to distribute your batter. The first one is by an ice cream scoop. It's pretty convenient, I would say. But if you don't have a scoop, you can use 2 spoons. Use one of them to spoon batter, and the other one to scrape it off. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. I would recommend you to leave it in the oven with door open for 10 minutes when it's done. I totally forgot about that, so the beautiful dome just deflated a bit after they cooled down. Well, they still look good though. The surface is perfectly browned. And it's soft inside with rich taste of banana. Thanks for watching, and I hope I can update my baking vlog more often. Please check out my playlist for more recipes. See ya!